Good morning, Todd Rothstein of Great Falls Construction, Gorham, Maine. And this morning I'm at the Gorham House of Pizza on the 3rd floor, one of the apartments where we're starting to put our finishes on. And I just wanted to show you a quick look around. What we're seeing here is a combination insulation process where we've done our spray foam around the perimeter walls up to 3.5 to some places 4-inch insulation. We've insulated around all of our windows, of course. And what you're seeing here clear is a combination of perimeter walls are getting all the spray foam, and then on the interior walls we have a combination of open face batt insulation with poly, and then paper face craft insulation above, and that's standard in this application. We're about to be putting on our sheetrock. You might hear some of the guys installing behind me, the sound there. But interesting, where our insulators put in they marked off the floors where they are indicating where electrical boxes would be, or sometimes light switches might be, by different configuration of markings. So in here you've got 2 lines indicating the light box and then a cable box. And that dot represents the sprinkler head above. So when they're taping, you know, and I know you want to go fast, and you might have a 4 by 10 foot sheet of insulation, and on occasion, if you cover up a box and you may not find it, well, these markings will allow you to realize that you do have a box behind that wall, and it'll tell you what that bump might be. So that's just a little trick reminder there that some of the pros use. Here's our open face batt insulation. This is mostly for sound between the 2 rooms. It's not an insulator for warmth, just for sound. And we'll take you around in a little bit. Behind me this was the area that had the original fire started. Somewhere in this back area right in here in the bathroom, where the fire had started in the bathroom from a vent that had clogged up and sparked, and then the fire started. And so, as you can see, everything has been, again, we've got a lot of new wood framing. The layout's been redesigned. Our closed-cell foam around the perimeter, which really helps in an old building that's had a lot of changes, where, as you can tell, it seals in all of the different pieces of wood and gives it a nice closed in. It's an air barrier, vapor barrier around the perimeter. It's got a fantastic R value. And then stairs, which are similar, the same stairway up to the 3rd floor where I just was. This whole top floor was, and the roof was redone, all brand new. And then there's some old studs, some of the new studs for the different configurations. The guy's just taking a quick break, and on this 2nd floor, that'll be the exit, entrance and exit for all of the people in the apartments. And here is going to be an office for Gorham House of Pizza. It's hard to tell right now without the walls. This is one apartment in here, just being readied for sheetrock. Be a kitchen area in here. So we put in another stairway up to the 3rd floor for some other apartments, which I'll show you later. So this is Todd Rothstein of Great Falls Construction, Gorham, Maine, at the Gorham House of Pizza. And in a couple of weeks we'll be able to show you some of these rooms all sheetrocked, get a better sense of what they look like. Any questions, please feel free to give a call at 839-2744, or look us up on the web at greatfallsinc.com. Thank you. Talk to you soon.